Hello everybody, making a small video presentation to put this particular fixture together. This is the model 21358. This is a 15-inch fixture where our light engine is being used, and these are the parts that get shipped in this fixture. This is the shade, the diffuser, the components that hold the shade together, and this is the light engine which gives the light source. In this case we're using a 25 watt 4000 color light engine. It's a little thicker compared to the other light engines because it's got about 2000 plus lumens, so it needs the heat sink on the back. I'm gonna just show you how to put all this together. Before I start off, the light engine also comes with a small packet which has got the hard wire, it's got the wire nuts and additional details how to install these light source into this fixture. So I'm gonna just show you how to put this together. It's not gonna take too much time. The video probably helps. So this is the base plate. It goes right below the fixture. Once we put it like that, we're going to take this particular pole mount, just screw it all the way down and tighten that so that it holds the base plate and the fixture together. There we have, it's tight. Now we're going to take the light source. In this case, the light source, every light source comes with a spring nut screw. You see the spring nuts? These basically go into these holes right here. I'm going to align this hole so that these bars don't come in the way of my twisting and putting them in the holes. Now these screws go right into these holes, and we push and twist for them to lock so that it's a sturdy lock. Otherwise, you also have an option. Once it goes down this pole mount, you can also tighten it with this screw. There are two different mounting options. We're going to use the mounting option. We're going to use these spring nuts, slide down and lock inside. So we can also loosen these screws above or below depending upon how easy it is to lock this inside the base plate. In this case, I have loosened that up so that I have a little bit more room so that it locks easily. I'm going to remove this nut so that it slides through the pole mount. There you go. And once in the back, I'm going to align the base plate to the spring nuts the way it's seen. Now it's sitting there. I'm just going to press and twist so that it sits and locks. Now it's locked, it's sturdy, and it's done. The other option, to make extra sure you have a screw here, you can just take a small screw nut and align this, tighten it so that it holds the pole, so that it's a double way to hold the light source to the plate. I'm going to slide this nut all the way down as per whatever height you want the shade to sit on. Before we put the diffuser or the shade, I'm going to put this base plate. This holds the diffuser. Once it holds that, the second plate goes on top, and the final touch is this. So once you lock this up and turn this, now the fixture is ready. There you go. The light source also has got a pigtail here, which we have sent additionally with the light source a hard wire which goes into the pigtail. It snaps and attaches like this, and this is the hard wire for the power source. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Have a good day.